Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming permissions and account types. Make sure you're an admin on the Facebook page and logged into the Instagram account on the same device. Once done, open Facebook, go to your page settings, and choose Instagram to begin linking. This first action creates the connection handshake. It's required so Instagram can share profile and add data. If you plan to promote posts, switch Instagram to a business or creator account, now so ad tools and insights will sync. Next, follow the detailed linking flow inside page settings. Click Connect Account and enter the Instagram credentials. You'll be asked to grant permissions for messages, ads, and insights. Make sure the correct Facebook page and Instagram profile appear, then confirm. If you use Meta Business Suite or Ads Manager, link the ad account and catalog here so posts can be promoted and commerce features work. Take a moment to review permissions. They control messages, comments, and ad access. Finally, verify the connection by creating a post in Instagram and enabling share to Facebook. Confirm it appears on the page. Make sure notifications and message syncing behave as expected. If something goes wrong, check page roles, Instagram account type, and app permissions first. Expired tokens often cause failures. If issues persist, disconnect from Facebook settings and relink, then clear app caches and retry. That usually refreshes permissions and resolves most linking errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.